Just having a look at this Teac A-170 system, and we've just been, dusting it out, cleaning it and all that, because it was pretty dusty inside. Overall looks pretty good. Now I've replaced this counterband here, dusted all that. This was broken, and cleaned it all in here. Now in here there's what they call a little motor, or a little shaft on here. If you can see, I'll just point to it. A little shaft here that connects to that roller. Right, now if I turn it over, I'll just turn it over, and now I've just turned it over. Just wanted to show you in here these bands that run on this motor. Right, they're all sticky. They'd all been broken and they were very sticky, and had to clean all this wheel here and the motor here. Had to clean all that with some methylated spirits. And what I also noticed is I actually put the band on this side here, and the motor was running around the wrong way. So I figured out that if I put this band on this side, it worked properly. But for some reason I still couldn't get this motor to run correctly, and I couldn't figure out why. So what I did is I took out this little actuator here and undid that there, and there's a spring inside here. I'll show you. There's a little spring inside here, alright, and I gave it a bit more tension because maybe over the years it had got a bit weaker. So I gave it a little bit more tension and I reapplied it, and now when you push play, it actually plays. And yeah, so it seems to work. So I'll just put a tape in and you can have a listen to see what it sounds like. I've just put it all back together, and we're going to test the tape to see what it sounds like. Okay, make sure that the output is all the way to the top. Okay, and let's put this tape in and see what it sounds like. Okay, so fast forward and rewind. Yep. And I'll push play now, and it looks alright. Cleaned all those rollers in there as well, the pinch rollers and the head and that. And just, yep, okay, push that. Turn that around for a sec. Okay, so it seems to be working okay, pretty good. Everything's clean. So there you go, guys. Let me know what you think. It used to be a funny thing that I used to do when I was a kid. I used to eject the tape. Edit it, see, look. Go like that. So there you go. It's a nice system. It's made in Japan. It's pretty vintage. It's from the 1970s, I'd say. And yeah, okay, see you all later.